आपने देखा होगा टोल पे नेता का टोल टैक्स नहीं लगता। हमने सोचा भाई क्या पता है कानून है यौन शोषण का बड़े बड़े नेताओं पर लगा।
Days after criticizing the Me Too protest against the Federation Chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, Indian Olympic Association Chief PT Usha today met the wrestlers at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. This came as a surprise for the protesting wrestlers, as PT Usha had previously condemned the wrestlers' protest, saying it amounted to tarnishing India's image. In the videos shared online, PT Usha is seen having a conversation with Sakshi Malik, Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia. Usha's visit comes a day after the protesting wrestlers displayed their anger over the delay in the investigation into the case. They also expressed shock that Usha, who is a former track great and its athletic commission chairperson MC Mary Kom, a boxing icon, have abandoned them. PT Usha last week said that the wrestlers should have shown more discipline, while Mary, who also headed the Sports Ministry's Oversight Committee that submitted a report into the sexual harassment complaints, has not commented on the current protests. The AC is yet to reach out to the wrestlers with its members, saying a public statement to express solidarity with the protesters was blocked at the drafting stage. On Tuesday, IOA's Athletic Commission member Om Prakash Karhana came out in support of the wrestlers, saying that justice should be delivered to the athletes who are fighting for their rights. The wrestlers had reacted strongly to Ms. Usha's statement, saying that they were hurt by her comments as they were looking up for her support.
ये बात सुन के बहुत दुख हुआ, क्योंकि एक महिला खिलाड़ी हो के वो महिला खिलाड़ियों की नहीं सुन रहे हैं। हम बचपन से उनको फॉलो करते आए हैं, कहीं ना कहीं उनसे इंस्पायर्ड भी हुए हैं कि उन्होंने देश के लिए इतना अच्छा किया है और हमें उनसे प्रेरणा भी मिली है। लेकिन एक महिला हो के अगर वो ये बात बोल सकते हैं ना, तो मतलब कान डिसिप्लिन कर दिया। हम तो शांति से यहाँ बैठे हैं और हम बैठते भी नहीं यहाँ अगर हमारी सुनवाई हो जाती तो। 3 महीने वेट करने के बाद भी सुनवाई नहीं हुई, इसीलिए हमें ये मजबूरन करना पड़ रहा है।
Top Indian wrestlers have been protesting at Jantar Mantar in the national capital against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh over allegations of sexual harassment. The Delhi police have filed 2 cases against Mr. Singh over the sexual assault allegations against him. One of the FIRs is based on a complaint by a minor filed under the Stringent Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act. Despite the assurance of police action, the wrestlers said that they will continue their sit-in protest, demanding the immediate arrest of the WFI chief. We respect the Supreme Court's order, but we don't have faith in Delhi police. This fight is not for an FIR. This fight is to punish people like him. He needs to be in jail and stripped of his portfolios, the wrestlers had said.
देखिए, मैं धन्यवाद बोलता हूं, क्योंकि ये एक कुश्ती की लड़ाई नहीं है, ये भारत की सभी उन खिलाड़ियों की लड़ाई है जो आज सभी इकट्ठा होकर लड़ सकते हैं, क्योंकि भारत की बेटियों का शोषण किया जा रहा है, खेल का शोषण किया जा रहा है। अगर आज हम इकट्ठा होकर नहीं लड़े तो ऐसे ऐसे लोग आगे आते रहेंगे और भारत की बेटियों का और भारत के खेल का ऐसे ही शोषण करते रहेंगे।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.